Hello everyone, today is 8th of August and we are now at the Nigeria's Council for Regulation of Engineers in Nigeria, COREN 30th Engineering Assembly. And today is the first day. A lot of things are happening. We started with the registration, you can see, and there are a lot of people everywhere. The venues are there and you can see people getting ready for the subsequent session of the program. And for our own, we have done all that we could. We finished registration and collected our materials, and we'll be looking forward to tomorrow's program, where we hope to see what's going to happen and what they're expecting. So come along with me as I take you around. Okay.
I was part of the team of engineers from Bauchi State who left Bauchi at 6:40 a.m. and arrived Abuja by 2 p.m. to join many engineers from other parts of the country and in the diaspora for the 30th Engineering Assembly taking place at the International Conference Center, Abuja in Nigeria. This year's collection of materials from various booths was hitch-free, as engineers are seen collecting the materials without long queue, and the process was not tedious as it was during the 29th Assembly. Let me take you around to see the environment of the conference hall. Come along with me.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off.
The Engineering Assembly came about when principal officers of the Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, COREN, the body that is responsible for regulating engineering practice in Nigeria, in their wisdom considered the need for engineering personnel to regularly converge and discuss professionally, socialize, and reinforce professional attachment for the development of engineering on the nation. The first Engineering Assembly was held in Lagos in the year 1992.
I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough deceit. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots, who were not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough deceit. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots, who were not as tough as me.
Let me take you on a tour to see the inner part of the conference hall. As you can see, there are merchants in various stands showcasing their products and services for people who came for the conference. You can see for yourself. Interesting. What contributed to the relaxed and friendly atmosphere of the conference room is that the interior has tastefully decorated conference rooms, varied facilities, and high standard of service. Luxurious, spacious, and centrally located, the stylish Cosmopolitan Conference Center offers an extensive range of modern facilities. Options that the interior of this architectural masterpiece may put to an endless arrangement. Imagine, it could be set in a banquet settings, or an indoor exhibition hall, or set for a concert. Just name it. It's so interesting.
Yo guys, it's evening and we decided to take a walk around to try some street food. We were at the International Conference Center earlier where we got registered and collected our materials. We went to our hotel room and rested for a while. It is evening and we decided to take a walk out on the street for a while here in Abuja, and we're hoping to find something to eat and maybe have some good air. So come along with us. Please, if you're not subscribed to our channel, we pray that you subscribe, like, and share.